Every successful practice has a moment no one brags about. It's a miss, a mistake, a setback. Fail Forward is a short series where dentists and practice owners share the failure that forced them to grow and the change that made everything better. This is where progress really begins.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rasheeda Johnson, founder and CEO of Dentcare Now in Fairfax, Virginia. I really believe that most people don't avoid the dentist because they don't care about their oral health. They avoid the dentist because they're scared. They can't find an appointment that fits their schedule, or they think they can't afford treatment. Throughout my career, I've always asked myself one question: how do we remove those barriers? That's why I built Dentcare Now. I wanted to create a practice that felt different, a place where patients could get in when they needed to, where technology made care easier, and where someone who hadn't seen a dentist in years because of fear would actually feel comfortable walking through our doors. We're open 7 days a week, including holidays. We offer sedation dentistry for anxious patients. We do everything we can to make getting dental care as easy and as stress-free as possible. But one of the biggest lessons I've learned as an entrepreneur had nothing to do with dentistry. Our biggest lesson came from our biggest failure. When my business partner, Dr. Dominique, and I first opened the practice, we made a mistake that I think a lot of first-time business owners make. We put our entire revenue cycle in the hands of one employee. She handled insurance verification, billing, claim submissions, collections, basically everything that brought money into the business. And honestly, we trusted that everything was getting done. Until one day, we couldn't pay our bills. It didn't make sense. The practice was busy, patients were coming in, we were productive, we were doing great dentistry every single day, but there wasn't enough money in the bank. So we kept asking ourselves, where's the money? That's when we discovered claims hadn't been submitted, billing had fallen behind, and our cash flow had completely broken down. It wasn't one big mistake. It was a lot of little things that went unnoticed because everything depended on that one person. That experience completely changed the way we built our company. We stopped building around people and we started building around systems. Today, we use specialized partners for key parts of our revenue cycle. We document every workflow, we build checks and balances into every process, and we make sure no single person is ever the only one who knows how to do everything. The difference has been incredible. And last year, we finished with a 98% collection rate. Our books reconciled cleanly and our revenue became extremely predictable. Now, every time we grow, every time we hire, every time we add a new process, we ask ourselves one question. If someone didn't come to work tomorrow, would the business still run? If the answer is no, that means we still have work to do. That's become one of our core philosophies. Don't build your business around people, build it around systems. Because people help your business grow, but systems make sure it will last.
Before you move on, write down your own fail forward moment, the one that changed how you think, lead, or decide today. And if you're willing, share it inside our Facebook group, the Dental Marketer Society Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the show notes below. And your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear.